Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Redmi A2. And for that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. So let's open it. So you have been the phone in before, and if you put it like this, you will find here a bit hidden the SIM ejection tool. Just fold it to the other side to release it. And yeah, otherwise you could use also of course the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. In this SIM tray, you're able to insert two SIM cards if you want, next to a microSD card to extend the internal storage. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. You need to place it here in the middle. So this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner on the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray here. As you can see here. And the contacts, they are below. And if you want, you can add also optional a second SIM card. It belongs here on top. Please take care that nothing jumps out. Okay, also your missing corner on missing corner. It just fits like that. And the contacts there are below as well. Okay, and also optional is to extend here the internal storage with a memory SD card. And also to the last position, just lay it like this. Okay, please take care that nothing jumps out. This is how it should look like then. And of course you can use also the SD card with just one SIM card or two as you want. And the contacts, they are here below as well. Okay, and if you're ready with it, just put your construction here back to the SIM slot. Close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.